Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video, we're gonna look on how to add a co-host in Google Meet. So, the first step would be open up Google Meet, click on New right there on the bottom, and here click on Create a New Meeting. Click on Join Meeting, and then here you can click on Join. To add someone, first you have to share the link of this meeting. So you just share the link of your meeting to everyone you want to add. The other people will ask your permission to join the meeting. You have to give them the permission to join by clicking on Admit. Click on Admit. And once the person has successfully joined the meeting, then here you have to click on the three dots on the bottom right corner. In this, click on Host Controls and enable Host Management. By this, you have successfully added a co-host in your meeting. So I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.